Disable individual Python unit tests temporarily. How can individual unit tests be temporarily disabled when using the pythonunittest module in Python?
Individual test methods or classes can both be disabled using the pythonunittest.skip decorator. For other options, see the docs for skipping tests and expected failures.
You can use decorators to disable the test that can wrap the function and prevent the Google test or Python unit test to run the test case. Output.
Simply placing at pythonunittest.skipTest decorator above the test is enough.
The latest version, 2.7, unreleased, supports test skipping/disabling like so. You could just get this module and use it on your existing Python install. It will probably work. Before this, I used to rename the tests I wanted skip to test_testname from test_testname. Here's a quick Lisp script to do this. My Lisp is a little rusty, so I apologize in advance for any problems it has. Untested,